tool to remove the cables from the terminal posts. This could require a socket, screwdriver, or hex head. Start with the negative, which is marked with a minus sign. Set it aside someplace where it won't touch metal. Now, disconnect the positive and set it aside. Remove the hold down, keeping the battery in place. This will vary from one bike to the next. Once the hold down is removed, you should be able to lift the old battery out. Set the battery in the housing and resecure the hold down. Reattach the battery cables, using the new hardware included with the battery. Reattach the positive first. Then the negative.